Omuhorereza wa gavumenti omu cottage yamanyisa omuramuzi kw'abashomesa aba Aloysius Adiga ow'emyaka 42 na Dennis Karyebi emyaka 41 bakapangirira ebipapura ebirikworeka ko bahirwe emirimo kuruga omu kakiiko akarikugaba emirimo omu ministry y'ebyobwegyese omu mwaka oguhwire batyo nikwo kubireetera Gregory Kasapuri ori mukuru w'itendekero erya Nyamango bakatandika kukora.
That is Karyebi Dennis. You are hereby sentenced to 12 years imprisonment. On count 5, 2 years imprisonment. Count 6, 2 years imprisonment. Count 7, 2 years imprisonment. Count 8, 2 years imprisonment. Count 9, 2 years imprisonment. And count 10, 2 years imprisonment.
Gloria Asiba omuramuzi wa koti ya Kyenjojo yabuuza boona kandi manja baziikiriza batyo nukwe ko bacweerwa emyaka 8 n'emyezi 12.
A1, who is Adiga Aloysius, will hereby sentenced to imprisonment for 8 years. That is on each count. Getting 2 years imprisonment on count 1, 2 years imprisonment, count 2, 2 years imprisonment, count 3, 2 years imprisonment, and count 4, 2 years imprisonment.
Ogutia komao honka kandi yagaruka ya shababa okushashura sente z'orukwingana miliyoni 15 ezi gavumenti etwire nebashashura kwiha omwaka oguhwire.
And we should refund the money that we received in salary payments that you have been paid by government since 2021, amounting to 15,230,732 shillings, and in default, 5 years imprisonment.
Kurugirra haba State House Anti-Corruption Unit abantu abarikurenga omuri 10 nibo bariyo nibakyondozebwaho aha kujingirira ebipapura bakashashurwa sente okuruga omu gavumenti. Amakuru agashakwa Daniel Bingana ahabwa TV West.